How often do you stay in connection with nature? Which benefits do you think it has on humans? Which benefits it has on setup mindset? How often do you do any walk with your family, with your kids? Hey, my name is Malgorzata Burkiewicz. If you are first time here, warm welcome on my channel of global happiness. And I'm here because I want to together with you discover the benefits which gives us the planet. Do you think that we are able to have so much benefits? I am a mother to kids, an environmentalist, and business online owner. Do you have enough time to enjoy the nature? Do you like to go around with your family? I mean, in our everyday life, even if it's not always possible, let's do it. Let's try. Let's do it. It's so beneficial. And once when I discovered the possibility to discover an additional income, I started enjoy always more and more this. And I tell you more. When I was a kid, I lived in the countryside. I didn't like it so much because everything was far. And with time, when I grew up, I wanted to. I living in a big city, and for a while I lived in the big city. But with time, I discovered that connection with nature is so much healthy, and protect the nature is so much important. So let's go with it. Let's discover together how much it's enjoyable and uplifting. Now I will say you hello and see you soon. Bye bye.